come at me. I say my bad mind. And I to believe come on talk it loud and proud. The only bad mind person in it is Uno. Because I know circumstances. Uno never see me the part of my life and watch funny life yet. That's a number one. Me never going at 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 or 15. Or when me have 3 phone. When me have 2, or when me on an argument I go on the live. So uno bad mind me. Uno never hear me the on phone live. Hear on the live in my background yet. I listen to uno me the on my life. Never. However, we are rank last night. And we are rank. Right? The lady was spend her birthday lonely. Push. My man, any man even come push me. People push me up. The lady was spend her birthday. The lady was spend her birthday alone. Push her friend. We don't really have no problem. So oh, it blood clot come down to Badmind where there is a competition. Hmm? Oh, me Badmind when it's a competition. My man come push me with other people. The lady was spend her birthday. The lady was spend her birthday lonely. And by the gift them for herself. Kind of bad not really want them. Push her friend to pass me. And it was an on and on, to and from, to and from, to and from. And them still up on my live and watch me. And when me say something, and me, make the two lady, me, make the other lady get the push. T-Nice can't even begin up because, and me, make the other lady get the push. Lady Diana Simpson, Clark Miller, Jones, get the push. To the M. If it never was me, you wouldn't get the push to the M. If me to come off of my live and I look for you, wouldn't reach M. At the talk when me make you reach the M. Cause so long and I watch me make a talk. Make gonna reach M. However, Major big up a Major big up a clean status Angola boss. Book it. You're out. Power teeth with tongue with eye and nigga. The flyers, I shall be at the party. Anyway, when I discuss that, come here. Well, when I was people say them bad mind. Come here, we wanna have. No more ask, you know. The year I done more. The year is finishing. If you ask this question today, what someone have for people for bad mind, you know? Uno not a clout, uno not a followers, uno live for people name like Chink every day. We wanna have. Miss a woman living at the glass house with a 5-bedroom, it full of storing a blood clot with people. Eh? Someone who don't even have bed. We wanna really have for people bad mind, you know? Hmm? What uno really have? I mean have shit, you know. But uno bad mind me for me mouth. And I can interact with people. And I can draw one audience. And I can sit down here and touch a ranking board. And I not fear playing a match. Someone can do it. I can sit here, you know me over here last night entertain my people. I'm get a lion. I can entertain. What you not have to bring to the table to TikTok? You know I talk about bad mind. Eh? You know I can't rest my name. Cause you not gonna survive without it. So I do what I want to bad mind me. Keisha! The reason why I'm not here to the 8 me now, I cannot rest my name. Because what? You don't have to talk about me. Because if you not talk about me, nobody not come over on yourself, you know, pathetic. Nobody not use you know. Not care you see the dog back over here. The dog is the doggest. One of the mongrel dog them. People never have a platform. As them starts a rose, you get all 40, 50 people. When them click them live and over there to themselves with one somebody or none. Long as them starts a rose, they get all 50 or 80 people. You're not gonna stop. Why you don't say my name, put money in your pocket? Because you can't stop calling it every single day. The young lady was sad on her blood clot birthday moment. Don't get a hug or a kiss. Sad like yesterday, last week, or last month. The saddest days of my life are when some man fuck on one don't want to know. She me a throw my jobs at. You're sad. You know, every day you call my name, you know? And I when I don't see you. I mean here you say yesterday say your class, your mama, your sister, or your sister pick me handicap and you're gone for oh man grind you know use and I want to say your name. You're sad. And they will look at me and tell me, say, but me see it in our eyes, you know, the depression, the neglect, the worries. Because me that traumatized living in a 5-bedroom house. Me I'ma pick them alone and a man in their home. I mean have stress to me have stress to my teeth because I got the BLLL bill. Me that surprised me alone sitting on my yard. To blood clot. No man in their home. You want if somebody need some company at times. Them sad. All of them. But who in a relationship and who no in a none. Because if me say something that does not interest me not talk about it. That's the difference between me and Uno. Uno cannot interest me like how me can interest Uno. It's an interest around TikTok. I Uno very Uno very uninterested. Born with capital B. Kiss me teeth. Uno so torment. Uno boring. Nothing about them. And me come out a morning and slip and drop. And me come out a morning and slip and drop a ground. Boop! One viral moment. They might have put up me with tsunami, put me up with earthquake, put me up with every single thing. I don't know how I get it. But me don't really want to rest me, you know. Me don't really want them rest me, Bella. Because I will always keep the interest of the people in. I don't want to hear about madman. I don't argue with people that have them Bellevue certificate. Don't let me not argue with them, you know, I tell you the honest truth. Me not go argue with them. Because when they see me in the streets, want me Rosie like me your bestie. So I know you're looking close. Remember we both work here and we know the statistics of the inquirement to reach a staff member. Because don't want to depend staff till them come off a staff. Don't want to reach staff all now because but not talk but not use them. So you can talk all you want to talk. I'm not going to argue with you. Because I live alone and you live alone. So what you going to argue about? 95% of the time we take people don't not even want to see us. Me are working at the same bracket. Me not gonna argue with you. The only thing different from me and you is you mad and me no mad. You know what I'm saying? Me not gonna argue with a big lady. Me say eat mirror. I come at me too. Eat mirror. Eat mirror. I come at me too. He make one video attack and him chat to me. I say, what is wrong with this little boy? What is wrong with you, eat mirror? What is wrong with you? Me not gonna argue with you. I say, I don't want to make a video, but I say, I not gonna make a video. Jaden, me not gonna argue with you. Because I know why you are very upset. And I don't want a friend for me, that's number one. And number two, me not black you. You look a good game for me where you not gonna get. You have buried your bridges with I have buried my bridges with you. So you can do all what you want to do. Come up on one of my page and see me that video and oh be. You I tell me say me bad man. Remember you were the one that come on social media and said if anybody want number one, they'd have to ask you. You forgot? Buffy me not hear it, but thanks. Thank you, Buff. You were the one couple months ago. The year not finished yet. You were the one that come and said if anybody wants number one, they'd have to ask you. Love you too, baby. The podium doesn't belong to nobody. And why would I come on my platform and say, oh, if I want number one, you have to ask me. You forgot? The first somebody take you down a Gage. Gage take you down. Me take you down. Pops take you down. I must about two other somebody take you down. And for you get your hand, for you get your defeat. I know we can't say shot fire about you. Well, one if I still use the app. Look at boy, I'm not gonna argue with you, honestly. You go and make up 40 video and 40 line video. You bad mind me. I took it from a place where nobody never see you none at all. And you know you do? Yes, you do. You pinch corruption. And you flip the script. I'm not argue with you. For me, for my friend, for a friend of mine to left my yard. Me have a friend, come have him as a friend him tell me. For a person left them yard to run to my rescue at all means and demands, and I know it was just a prank. What kind of friend that be? Jen, it's not my fault that TikTok realize why you be. It's yours. Because people would eventually realize why you be. It's not my fault, Papa. It's yours. People eventually realize. Me left my yard, come around you for escape car key for girl. One at time, 2 years ago, I put out. If me to live somewhere, we can accommodate people, me make you sleep in my house. I know a lie. That is how evil you are. Time will destroy one in a Jaden. What time destroy one on me? So don't brush on my back. You always come and say I'm big, I'm a stink, I'm a fat, I'm a sour, I'm a whale and this and that. And I don't have any problem. But time will destroy one piece by piece. Time. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do a thing. I'm not going to argue with your Papa, please. I'm not going to waste a good word for you. I'm not going to tell you leave me alone. This is one clout you have to chase. You will always trace my clout because I don't want a friend from you. Because you're evil with capital E. You cannot be trusted. So I'm going to give the laws of the book, Jaden. Me, Badmind, you evil, conniving, wicked. I only care about yourself and money. And when we get to identify that, not even a syndicate you can be of minds. Whoosh. When we get to realize what someone want to be upon the app, not even a syndicate of minds only can be. Now use a little boy. Go away. I'm not waste my 2 cents per either. Go away. Because one not understand say Father God don't like ugly. It's when your heart black and your mind bitter. Father God don't like ugly. It will be seems like you're winning now, you know. But not for long. Because what? You're gonna need a particular person with this at the end time in life. So be careful what you do. And when all of them sit down over here and them diss me, them friend me back and I talk back to them, me have time when my chapter close and my door close. And me not use them. Me not come hold an argument with you in a period. Me not argue with you, period. And you look one back and forth and one to and from and this and that and that. And you like disrespect woman. And people see it. That's why you lose support. You like this woman. And majority of the people, 98% of the people come give people on Twitter, ladies. You like to sit down on this woman. Yeah. And sometimes I just all hate me and like who hate me? Who hate me? I like you in a class, me always come support you. But me I tell her this little boy, this is 2025, I mean I can't 2026. My door is closed when it comes to you. I lock my door. I can never trust you. The last session in our day I've tried try for trust him, try for make ends meet, but what? Him is a boy, he will never, ever change. And me can't have my friend, and I always want to show up my friend and make my friend feel some type of way and say I'm a friend. When you have a friend, you have to give in to them feelings. Him cannot be tamed because what? Money are just them problem. When a person care about money and not feelings, you can't trust them the people in. Because he only care about the coins on the app, views and coins. They don't care about your feelings. So you will never be friends. Anyway, make we leave she alone. Because we're not going to disrespect. Because we don't have the time. Me I look to life goal there. Then someone never know say when you can't make people hungry down, you they would collect money. Keisha, we cannot make people hungry than we collect our money. When I just jump up because my boo called me and we were talking and whatever you. I sleep over my best still. I'm best in a year. Them thief, Madam Miriam money. Madam Miriam, tell me if it tell you. This a year I wanna hear. Madam Miriam, this a year I wanna hear. Lord, hey, me murder. Me not, hey, I say my eyelash them butt out. Boy, fuck up my eyelash. Me say, Toto, don't come on my, Toto, it not ready say it a blood clot in my membrane. How them crumble so quick? Eh? Not even a month? Me to tell them? Me to tell people so what? What did I tell people say? I know. I know. And that's why 95% of them over here don't like me. Me worry with the 5%. Everybody hungry for money. If them come on TikTok come make 250,000 Jamaican dollar, them not get 200,000, them not get 200,000. At 10,000 she get. Because she fool and naive and dumb. One don't have on a page story, do not rinse my name. I have nothing to do with nothing what we not talk about. Don't tell a lie for me. Because literally I don't care. Because I've said this before. You come on the platform, you hustle you come by you hustle the diamonds them almost 40,000. 30,000, roughly 140,000. She hustle. You couldn't buy her a phone and then you still not get her no money. Because her daughter don't go school today. She never got Friday. And last time she come and say she hungry. And I don't see the improvement. So you just use her for in an argument with me, because in her head, I know Madam Miriam very well. And I know when she do these things, I know she's been programmed. You don't understand and get it. People were around for years. And them reaction, I can tell you. I know when they are programmed. Rotten old Vanny, our best to show this she program him. Is she tell him to come argue with me? It's she I tell him for arguing. I mean, no. Me know. And she a programming for argue with me. Because if I him alone, him don't pay me no mind. Them a Capricorn. It's she a programming my time to argue with her. Because when you argue with her, you will get followers. You will get followers. You will get clout. Troll her, she will answer your back. She use the word troll. Troll them will answer. It's she a tell him to do it. No, however, them in a fear head that a mother me ram. Like them in her head. So let me tell her, say, go on around the yard, go argue with her. And when she argue back with you, you come click live and you get money and views and followership. But one thing Mother Miriam now realizes that you're not going to benefit out of it no time. Because anytime them get the big bus where them want, them are going to throw you underneath the bus. Them are going to flush you back in the tile like a tissue. Them now going to use you. Because what? The page is climbing, views is coming, and kinds are coming. You shouldn't want nothing. But anyway, let us not elaborate. Because somebody that I go over Total Life and somebody type and say, them say me change the password like I me create the page. Anyway, me I look too live goal. I come but let work, I come. Me look too live goal. I have spoken before, I don't have time to go back over that. Because what? Number one, nobody can tutor you to be red eye. That's why I'm not going to go down in the world pastor. Number one, nobody in the world can tutor you to be red eye. Nobody can tutor to be bad mind. You have them in your genes. Yeah, me girl, yeah. Nobody can tutor you to be bad mind. Nobody can tutor you to be red eye. You have to have them in your genes. Genetics, you're born with it. Because I'm gonna do him thing cannot affect me. If me a bad mind, them are red eye. Do all of them bad mind, because everything will be no problem with it. Nanny. And uno bad mind, everything me do pay, I don't have problem with it. Every single thing. I mean, not uno. I want uno, I don't phone to me, I don't even care. That's what the level between me and uno. Everything me do is a problem on the app. Every single thing me do. And when uno do anything, me don't even care. So who really bad mind who? Who bad mind who? Me see me talk about uno? Me only identify uno call me name. And some uno not get no identify for me. Because me not go on phone parade. So all who message to the girls them on the boards them over here feel like say me Rosealee, I go argue back with uno. Me not argue with uno. And you wanna come with that, don't care. So don't waste no time. Yeah. I reach a point in my life now, I don't know what I'm going to argue with and I tell you to say. I'm not going to do no back and front. We're not going to stay over on a pathetic tie side and me stay over with some good girl who can show me 2 little diamonds. I don't argue with you. What sense it make? If I'm not fight for place over here. I'm not fight for spot. Or if I'm not fight for spot. Remember you can't bury dead there for 6, you know. Me not fight for spot by you, so me go argue and tell you to say. 99.9% of someone not live the life, you know. Because we live out of people pocket, so with the blood clad. Me only go argue back over year 4. Wanna live out of people pocket like myself. If gift don't try, don't eat. I might gifters pay my internet net bill Saturday night. Me not argue with 2 blood clad, girl. Brother go look at boy for fuck me. The year I done. Me have problem 2 minutes. Me want to move. Me have kids. For man, me na blood clot in a 640. Me argue with no blood clot for. You not live my life. Refresh the life. I see the moment. What you really want me to argue with you? That's what you really want me to sue you? That's not important. Sometimes I tell myself saying I'm not that important. Sometimes I look and tell myself I'm not that important. Me's not that real shit. He's not that girl. But I can identify someone wake up in the morning, teeth don't brush, arm don't wash out, pussy don't wash. And I sit up on the platform from 6 to 8. Rosealee. Lee. I do it every day. A month now I do it. Comfortable doing it. Remember, I only when me lick the for you. I still want to cry out. Remember, it's me going to content, I want to always stack at my house after make the FYPs. Me I look too well. Me can't stop them in a chat. 8,000 people, I cannot stop them. Me will always make the FYP, My Bible verse and instincts belongs on the FYPs. Tap it like a reach FYP. Sexy Browning. You can't let me something now. Me shall always make the FYPs. Because I work here. So when someone was about, she's cleaning card. Me a clean card, I'm made the FYP. Every month, never get my blood clot. Every month, me have to come here, gold digger, let me something. Christmas, I come, let me something. Me I give back when I come to Jamaica. Have I even kiss and hugs? Let me something, gold digger. So anything we have to let me eat. I have to make the blood clot FYPs. So I can always, in the recognition for employee of the blood clot month. I don't know like that. When I work properly to make the list employee of the month. Never make me employee of the blood clot month. Sign and steal by the boss. You know not make me employee blood clot. Employee of the month. Oh, me? Every month. Never get employee. Whether first place, second place, or third place. Me picture it up on the platter. I work, me come. Me I look too well from two girl. Me can show your eye through blood clot them. Yes, Danny Gold, employee of the blood clot month. Now that burns them. I want murder them do me extra blood clot hours. Me big employee of the blood clot month, Lisa. She's cleaning card. Someone go clean on the wall. Then if me that blood clot clean card, me come on and spend 1 hour and gone. Me could have want to make FYP. If me a clean card, where the fuck me up on FYP? You know, so no nonsense. Why don't you go beard and brush the cum them out on the throat back? Can't swallow too much. I'm not so fool. I love chat. Me could have clean blood clot card. I want me the FYP. If me a clean card, me don't want me the FYP a blood clot. What me a do on the FYP? I mean, I come clean the card and go about my blood clot business. Me sit down over here, we do a clean the card with me, and we just throw away and leave. Me not even spend 2 hours, me not do no drama. Who know if me a clean card, I can't call my name so much. Cause me can't click me live and lie long on my blood clot bed and just play random match with all them Arab them. Syria. 1 game. One. Them would have begged me to give it. I said, come. We could play 40. 1 game. I'm real. I need something to eat. Gold digger, what? Don't let her come here. Gold digger, come let me something. Chat when I follow gold digger and the good girl them. Gold digger, come let me something. Gold digger, come here. I want proposal. I beg you one lion. No, me not say me I beg it. Come here, me I borrow 1 lion for you today. And me a pay back, but here I'm gonna pay back. A $300 feet. Me gonna sell one $10,000 for the upcoming January I come up. Me might taste. Cause sometimes you have to dip and taste. Ride and taste. Rent! I borrow 1 lion for me a gold digger, but here I'm gonna pay back. I borrow my it, For the upcoming January, I'm gonna dip and taste. One $10,000 out of grind. Upcoming February, I'm gonna sell another 10,000 what a dip and taste. March, I'm gonna taste and don't dip. That is $25,000, And upcoming April Easter when a bun season, April Fool Day, Annika, man no want someone with a shabelly, we gonna pay you back. Here the interest now. 1 Rosealee across the board. No. Me could have sell me item So we don't look up in a batty hole. I'm gonna sell my item and don't look up in a batty hole and can pay back with interest. Me I borrow it. If you have it. But I borrow me, I borrow it. I shall pay back when my pocket is fit. I'm a throat gone. I'm a can't see if you watch. Not even if I can't look out of my eye. See no warmer. Try to enter the ranks. Me are gonna enter the waffle, enter the ranks. We don't want we have to enter the blood clot. Try to enter the blood clot ranks. Oh that! Angela, rest my phone and just come and work. Zena! Try to have to enter the rock. Me not go sit down with so much when I made it comfortable. Like lying down. My maiden take standing up in a one corner and slightly bend over. Yeah. Me I told to them say confession is good for the blood clot soul. My maiden take standing up, just a slight bend over so. Chanty. And when the boy put in him 31. Me run a fight. Hold on. What they got? Blood clot. Ras clot goalie. Boy. Guys! Gold digger! Guys, me trying to follow up the people them. Gold digger my main take standing up. Me not gonna tell a lie. Me reach of age. Me not want no secret. Some girl feel like me have no secret of blood clot one. Can't do anywhere where you go. My main take standing, slight bend over. And when the boy put in him 31. Them time that me a virgin, me bruise up. Him never come never stay for long. Me can't wash it at the time when me finish. And the next man it could have wash out. When somebody get them say, when I made her take them bleed. Me never see no blood. Me never see no blood. Oh my God, do me to lie? Me never see a blood clot, blood. Sometimes one of my maiden take still not take a blood clot up to now. When them say them maiden take and them bust up. I bleed, me not see the blood. I told me run. Me not see the blood. Me not see the blood. So that means I made not take blood clot yet. I mean, I told you. Me not see the blood. Me can't ride bicycle, you know. Me never see the blood clot, blood. Up to blood clot now. So sometimes me I want in my mind say, if my maiden did take or not, I want to breathe after. And me I walk with good belly. In the long book of life. Some more mountain for go everywhere. It's still there. Some more mountain never did it. You know, say, me start use my mouth. Late in a...
Is it? Me have all my creatine. Me can show you the man, man. My vitamin and my creatine, the man, man. Is it? 24-hour men. 24 or 48 hour man. We go look back on the back.
March, come here, me girl.
Is it? I'm a vitamin and thing.
March, I can let me 2 posts.
I just threw me away till I start work out and thing I start, you know?
That was the day.
You know, somebody did sit down somewhere, beer. That's why I want to sleep, so, you know. You know, somebody did sit down somewhere, you know. And I really want garage, you know, but when I'm a bridging them, I do something for me. I kind of just sit down there and wait for him for just don't know how long. You want me to show you it?
He could have called me, I'm going to come.
I never know say it I go take so long, you know. At Instagram I see it pan. And I just like it. So the dog say him can install it. So
I show me it. I want to be a surprise.
No, I can show you, babes, because maybe my life if I like it. Come on, give me my car key.
Wicked at Max there.
Max not there, baby. Max down in yard. It looks so pretty, babe. You're gonna like it. I'm gonna get it. You have to do it in your care, babe. It's gonna look so pretty with you too.
What is it? What is it, sir?
Well, no, babe.
I want to see it. Me case now?
Bob. I'm looking for the
Akeem,
best
the
one.
light, can you show me again?
But just show you though.
It's wonderful, boo boo.
Look. Looks so cool. It butted up. Look what it's in that is. What the fuck? What's that? It can't change to me, look. Yeah,
It's cool.
I told you this shit is cool.
You know you're not grow up?
Yes, it's sexy for
You don't want to see it again. Move. Come now.
Look like it have different
Stop
colors.
play with me.
I want to play with you.
I know. Let me see it.
Alright, look for now. Your body a fuck, babes. I don't talk to you. You look bad, babes. Where's at night time? I'm gonna get the cuddler like them on my foot. It's clean. I love this shit. But for real, man.
And you don't grow up.
You think I'm gonna grow up?
You don't grow up one fuck.
My girl, listen to me. You see, Uno as woman, makeup and ear and lipstick
makeup.
and shit. Let me tell you.
You know I don't really like. You know I don't like makeup.
Yeah.
I don't-
But them thing they are just female enjoyment. You see,
I
man,
don't like
babes,
makeup.
you say, oh, we did like toy cars. I saw we grew up, I like the bigger one than the real one. You see what I say? So,
You don't grow at all. The devil, you don't grow. You not grow for you.
yo, you know the dog I just do it. The man a screen record the live. If you send me a while ago, I just see it come up the man screen record when I show you. Nah, like, I'm still not going on a promotion because you take
It's not free. I had to pay for it.
I tell
So
you,
if you want me to give him a promote, well, fine. 'Cause
yo, bro, you want your business kick like a gun? Go do kick thick as care for you.
exactly. But no free promotion around here. Sorry. So what?
Team, tomorrow the tattoo. We can't wait till Friday. We can't wait till Friday, Chad. It feel like it's gonna take too long. Me know want Friday come and she change her.
Come on, that boat.
When me look how far, well I know.
You really doing this?
Well I know.
Come like you read my mind.
Me there I reminisce me. I say, yo, I don't want to do her something before Friday.
You see you? Let's say. You come like say you just. Me got eat it. You know something I got eat it for this? You come like the boy just know me I say in my mind. Like him just know. Him say hello, come and watch that shit.
So me I look on it and me I say, I don't want she to change her mind before Friday. So what you know? Tomorrow, babes. I say my busy, I say tomorrow. Fuck, tomorrow we better do it. That's it.
Make him have numbing cream, come on, do more than one.
Man, no numbing cream, you know. Me just tell you.
Me not do that.
My girl, the man have no numbing cream.
Hello, don't run with me. I'm gonna take my last.
Oh, you love bumbuckler, cocky, so afraid a little needle pain. Eh?
That is just my, me's a woman, and that's just my line. I mean, over third. Me and my girls, them can relate. Left that, no man can work, leave that. 95% of the time, we talk about fuck, I don't want to fuck. You don't know me yet?
You can't tell me that going on?
Yeah, me I tell you.
Babe, listen. I so circle back. I run my series in a circle.
Me I go jump up, me I go up there, go talk to somebody. One of my friend them. Long time I not see them. That's why I made that, you know.
Alright, my princess, love you. Tomorrow, may I tell you what time I come pick you?
You come pick me up?
No. Your shit, deal with. Come link me.
No, I take one care.
No, I don't want you nobody else care. Me come for you. Me come for you, babe. I send somebody for you.
Come. Now wash your car down.
Yeah, left it cross the road for wash. That's it.
I live on my man friend them.
You're not gonna link no man friend big head girl later. Later. Alright, baby, we see you tomorrow, yeah?
She not play match with me later.
Oh, later? Alright then.
You play about 2 or 3 hours. Anyway, later.
Okay.
I go outside, I go to the road, I wash my car and go talk to one of my friends. I tell them I go lick them. So I'll see you tomorrow also. If I come back about 9 o'clock when I day here, me play one match with you. I so come.
We're there. Sound goodie, IP. We go wash my car. So like IP.
You still come.
We go wash my car. Alright, we go message with that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Chat, soon come.